Good afternoon to all my respected teachers and dear friends. Before starting my today's topic, I just want to ask you one question. Have you read or listened to news in this lockdown? What you have seen or observed in that news? Yes, that the number of people who are attempting a suicide or who are going in under the depression is increasing nowadays. Why this is happening? Because people are unable to take care of their mental health. So today, through this PPT video, I am going to discuss with you people about our mental health. What? Mental health? You also must have this question in your mind, right? So let us begin with the answer of the question, that is, what is meant by the mental health? So mental health refers to the cognitive, behavioral and emotional well-being. It is all about how people think, feel and behave. People sometimes use the term mental health to mean the absence of mental disorder. Now, before moving in my presentation, I would just like to ask you all to close your eyes and ask your own mind question how you're feeling right now. So you may have these answers like I am feeling great, I'm feeling okay, I'm feeling angry or irritated, I'm feeling anxious, I'm feeling sad and upset, I'm feeling depressed. And if you're feeling that you are not doing well, then you need a help or support. And you are not feeling well because of a mental illness. Yes, mental illness. You must be having a question in your mind. What? Mental illness? What do you mean by this mental illness? We have heard about a physical illness, that we have a cough, fever, but what is this mental illness is? So, let's discuss about the mental illness in detail. Mental illness. Mental illness is also called mental health disorder, refers to a wide range of mental health conditions, disorders that affect your mood, thinking and behavior. Example of mental illness includes depression, anxiety disorder, schizophrenia, eating disorder and addictive behaviors. A mental health concern becomes a mental illness when ongoing signs and symptoms causes frequent stress and affect your ability to function. A mental illness can make you miserable and can cause problem in your daily life, such as at school or at work, or yes, even in relationships too. Now the question comes in mind is how to recognize that we are mentally ill or we have the mental illness. So there are 9 signs of mental illness. Let's see them in steps. First, feeling anxious or worried. Second, feeling depressed or you're feeling unhappy. Third, emotional outbursts. Fourth, sleep problem. Fifth, weight or appetite changes. Sixth, quiet or withdrawn. Seventh, substance abuse. Eighth, feeling guilty or worthlessness. And ninth, change in behavior or in feeling. Now, the next step is if someone in your contact, your friend or your loved ones have this mental illness signs, so what we should do that they should not lack their mental health. So here are few preventions which you can take for not having a mental illness or not lacking in your mental health. First, pay attention to the warning signs. The 9 signs which we have discussed before, you should pay attention if that person is fitting in any signs of this. Second, get routine medical care. If you are having some mental illness background or if you are having few signs, so you should have a routine medical care for even a mental illness. As like for a physical illness, we take a routine checkup. Even your mental health needs a routine checkup. Third, get help when you need it. So if someone like this is in your contact, so they should get a good and proper help if they are needed. And fourth, take good care of yourself. And if we will take care of ourselves and our mind, then our mind and our mental health will be strong and we will not be mentally ill. So take good care of yourself, not only physically but also mentally. So today, through my PPT presentation, I tried to discuss about the mental illness and mental health. So, as like in this lockdown or pandemic period, we should be physically fit. Similarly, we all should take care of not only our mental health but our friends and loved one mental health too. So, take care of yourself, be happy and be safe. Thank you.